At Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Nebraska, we all come to work daily to serve our members.
Everybody's here for the same purpose. It's a very cohesive team. Here we're really truly caring about people that have our insurance.
Wanting to be a part of something bigger and within Nebraska. Looking out in the community, our brand is everywhere and it's important to people. And we know that on a daily basis, we are making an impact.
Very professional environment. There's a lot of really talented people. That's what I noticed first, is the level of talent here, professionalism. It's been off the charts.
Working at Blue is amazing. Everyone here is very empowering and nice.
I always have a voice at the table. I'm excited to work with the people I work with every day. It's a great culture to be involved with.
Wellness is obviously very important. That's what we do for a living here. We try to promote health and well-being.
They provide us the tools. We have apps. We have different programs to help you make healthy food choices and also how to work out.
Overall wellness, not only physical, but we do a great job with mental well-being as well, and knowing when too much is too much and providing those people time off, step away from your desk for a little bit. If you have to go to a doctor's appointment, go flex your time.
Our diversity and equity director, she always quotes Verna Myers and says, diversity is being invited to the party, inclusion is being asked to dance. So I think that's something Blue Cross really tries to embody.
It's easy to be involved. We do stuff for our Pride Parade and all that, and support a lot of things outside.
Blues has been great. They changed along with the times the pandemic caused. We all had to do things differently, and Blues was there really supporting us all the way.
We have 4 flexible work options for employees. You can either work full-time from the office or full-time from home, or you can work a hybrid schedule, which allows you to work some of your time in the office and some of your time from home.
This is a great company, you really feel supported and everyone really wants you to succeed. You really want that, you're looking for that. This is the company for you.
It's definitely a top place to keep in mind.
Hello and welcome to the Bennett IQ project. We're excited to continue our partnership with the university and do another project around Bennett this year. This year we're looking to leverage our agent data to create rich insights for Bennett. So a quick overview, Bennett is an AI agent that we built to assist our customer service department to quote member benefits. Currently it's used in production by 100% of our call center. Right now we're also in the process of rolling out a limited pilot for external members and providers. Bennett was built using a pattern called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or a RAG pattern, and it uses GPT-4o to generate its answers, as well as an Azure AI search index to store its vector database. And so what we're planning to do this year with the UNL Senior Design Project is to enhance some of the logging that we get and generate some insights from those logs. So currently, Bennett generates an incredible amount of logs from user interaction, their feedback, timeliness, system performance, etc. And the goal would be to use these logs to understand what customers are asking about, understand how Bennett responds, what sort of usage patterns may emerge that we may not be aware of. And so we'd be interested in understanding volume over time, which topics and intents are being hit, sentiment trends, performance metrics of the agent. And so the front end for this should actually be an AI agent itself. So the use case would be, I would ask this agent, hey, how is Bennett performing? Or what are some of the top questions that are being asked of Bennett? Or what are some sentiment trends that we're seeing with interactions to Bennett? So the agent should be able to answer those questions, which may be connecting to some pre-processed data that you'd be generating on the back end to help with timeliness of answering these questions. So this is a really high-level design. It's meant to be conceptual design at this point. As you can see, the user would use this new agent that you create, which would in itself use an LLM within AI Foundry, or possibly a series of LLMs within Azure AI Foundry, and then pull data from the staging area. This is, again, a conceptual design. You may not actually implement it this way, but this is an example of how you could implement it, where we would be staging our aggregated metrics. We may be doing some pre-processing on that data using an LLM in that staging step, so doing some data synthesis and augmentation. to create those aggregated metrics, which would just in turn make the timeliness of this agent faster. And this staging job would either pull from our Bennett SQL database or our Bennett App Insights, as well as possibly some other sources within the organization. So this is at a high level what we're hoping to build for this year. And we look forward to partnering with you and seeing what you come up with.